Welcome back to another episode of Unboxed. Today I have something for all you video creators who like to create videos with your iPhones. Inside this box I just got in from Amazon is the Comica smartphone video recording kit. Model number is CVM VM10K2. So let's get this unboxed and check it out. Now that we got all that packaging out of the way, this is what we see. A box that looks like it has a mini tripod, a phone mount, and an external microphone attached. Let's pop this box open and see what's inside. First thing I see upon opening the box is, hey, there's a carry case. All right, love it when things have a carry case. Inside the carry case, we have an instruction manual. Make sure to read this later. We have a warranty card and a little gel pack. Make sure you throw that away. We have the mini tripod, a phone mount, and this phone mount has 1/4-inch threads on top and bottom and a cold shoe mount. The microphone has a 1/4-inch thread and a cold shoe mount as well. They also include in the pouch an audio cable and a wind muff for the microphone. Not a bad deal. Now that we've seen everything that's in the box, let's put this all together, mount my phone on there, and give it a test. Okay, time to put this Comica smartphone kit together and see if the clamp will fit my phone, because I'm using an iPhone XS Max. But first, we need to discuss one thing. The included cable is a TRRS cable, so therefore you're going to need to use your iPhone dongle that came with it, because we don't have headphone jacks on our iPhones. With that out of the way, we're going to take our tripod and simply screw on the clamp to the tripod, just like that. I've already done this, but this just unscrews on top here and it widens the clamp. This is wide enough to put and use my iPhone XS Max in it, so that's great, with an OtterBox Defender case on here as well. No problem. The microphone mounts right on top, cold shoe, screws right in, and I'm just going to plug the microphone in to the back and into my phone, and voila, we have our setup. One thing I just realized is that there is a little push button on the side of the tripod that when you push it allows you to move the phone in the ball mount, which is awesome. So now I can get that perfect angle for wherever it is. Okay, so now I have my iPhone mounted on the Comica smartphone video kit. I am holding the tripod at arm's length with the microphone on top. And I did put on the Wind Furry, the dead cat, because I did notice that with the little foam that comes on the microphone straight out of the box, the audio was cutting out here in the park. It's a slightly breezy day, and I'll show you what that sounds like after, but this is what it sounds like with the Comica mic. Sounds pretty good, but let's see. I'm going to unplug the microphone so you can see what the natural sound of the iPhone sounds like. Okay, so now this is the sound directly out of my iPhone. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Which one sounds better to you? With the mic in or with the mic out? I think with the mic attached and plugged in. This is now with the mic plugged back in. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Should sound better. Now here's the other test. I'm going to switch out the Wind Furry dead cat for this foam, and you're going to see an immediate difference. Watch. Okay, so now I have the regular foam on the microphone and there's a slight breeze. It might be cutting out. I'm not exactly sure what you'll be hearing. But this is with the foam on there instead of the dead cat. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. So who would use, or why would you use the foam on here instead of the dead cat? If you're inside in an office and there's no breeze and there's no wind, this would be for you. I'm going to put the dead cat back on. Okay, so now I have the dead cat put back onto the microphone. So why would you want to use this foam? If you're indoors and there's no wind and no breeze and no fan, this would probably work great. But for me, I think I will leave the dead cat on here all the time. There's really no need for me to take it off ever. It doesn't show in the picture. I mean, it sticks out a little bit, but you can't see it hanging over the camera, which is perfect because, you know, the camera and the iPhones are on the side, not in the middle and the top. So it seems to work great. So this is the Comica smartphone video kit. I wholly recommend this. If you are new to vlogging and you want to use your iPhone, this seems to be a great tool. Now, one of the other minor details is that the tripod, the ball mount seems a little bit loose. If I give this a little bit of a wiggle, it moves. See, it moves. I think that it could be a little bit tighter, but overall, as long as I'm not doing that, it holds perfectly well. Once again, this is the Comica smartphone video kit, and I totally recommend it because if you want to do any video with your smartphone, vlogging or otherwise, you need good sound, and the microphone that comes with this kit is really good sounding compared to the sound coming out of your phone. If you'd like to purchase the Comica smartphone video kit, I will leave a link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Think about subscribing so you can see more of my videos. And if you didn't, well, give me a thumbs down twice. Also, do me a favor, check out my vlog channel. Look for Rich Maza, R-I-C-H-M-A-Z-A on YouTube. Hope all is well out there. See you again soon. Bye.